moving to what is an equation. Let us recall the matchstick pattern of the letter L. Okay, so we know that this is a letter L. How many are there? Will be keep on counting there. Here before we are know that how to write that number of the L formed. Here number of the L formed, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that the number of L is formed. Number of mastic required per L. Okay, number of the mastic required per L. So for 1 L we require 2, for 2 L we required 4 mastic, 3 L we required for 6 mastic, 4L we required for 8 mastic. Okay, this is how to write we already learnt, correct? So we know that number of the mastic required by the given the rule, it is 2n. N is taken as a L, number of L it is formed, number of the L it is formed. And one more thing, it is then another way will be thinking by the Apu. That is, Apu always thinks differently. He has, we know to find the number of mastic required for the L given by the L numbers. What about the other? It is formed. If for example we have a number of L, it is like that. So, okay, 1 2 3. So for 3 we require 6. So this is considered only for the number of L, where other, let us find it out. Here let us do it. What you mean by the next, how to represent the, if it is only n, another way of doing the numbers. Let be there another way of doing the numbers. 2n is equal to 10. So here is a condition is satisfied by the number of n. The condition is an example. Okay, here this is a means of n. N is given the number of the mastic 10, so that 2n is equal to 10. Let we have a what is that rule. Our question can be answered by the looking at the table 1 and look at the various value. N is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2n is equal to 4 6 8 10 12 14, like that. The condition satisfied, yes or no? No, 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 yes, no, no. So where you get 2n is equal to 10, so that condition is n is now is represented as an 5. Okay, so if we find that only if n is equal to 5, the condition, that is the equation 2n is equal to 10, it is satisfied. When we apply the n is equal to 5 only, the condition will be satisfied. Other we find n is equal to 5, then it will be 2n is equal to 10, it is satisfied. Okay, let the Balu is 3 years younger than the Raju, taking Raju's age to be x, Balu's age to the x minus 3 years. Suppose Balu is 11 years old, then let us see how the method can be used. Okay, x minus 11, that is equal to x minus 3, that is equal to 11. How would I see Balu's age is 3 years younger than the Raju's, so x minus 3 is equal to 11. This is an equation is variable x is variables. We shall prepare a table value x minus 3 for the value for the x. Okay, now let we have x minus 3 x here. X, let we consider 3 4 5 6, like that the x value is. Complete the entire which is left blank from the table. We find that only the x is equal to 14, the condition x minus 3 is equal to 11 is satisfied. So how does, like, we have to solve one by, if I place x is equal to 3, 3 minus 3 it is 0. This will not get similar. Next one, 4 minus 1, 4, let we take 4 in the x value, 4 minus 3 will be getting as a 1. So keep on. So when we get 11, that time this condition will be satisfied. When we'll be getting 11, x is equal to 14. That time 14 minus 3, it is 11. This is a condition is satisfied by the Raju. If where other 12, 14, 16, that is a condition is not satisfied. So Raju's age, therefore it is will be the 14. Okay. Any equation like above is a condition on the variable. It is satisfied only for a definite value of the variable. If it is a definite value, that is x is equal to 14, that is a definite value. Okay, student, it is a definite value. That time only the condition will be satisfied, and it is only the definite value the variables will be, that time the condition will be satisfied. Now equation 2n is equal to 10. 2n is equal to 10. It is satisfied only the value 5. So already we are studied. When x minus 3 is equal to, when we have a value of 14. So it is that the variable when the condition is satisfied with the correct variables. Okay. Note that equation, what you mean by the equation means, a equation should have equal sign. Very important thing, students, here. The equation should be always an equal sign. An equation has an equal sign between two sides. Two sides. Here, let we consider these two. This is a equal will be there. There is a two sides. Here also see here, student, there will be a equal and there will be two sides. The equation says that the value of the left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. So whatever you take the value of the left hand side, it will be equal to the right hand side. That is a condition. If left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we do not get an equation. If the value are not same, we finding what is the value as not same, so the condition starts fail. Okay. For example, 2n is greater than 10, then 2n is greater than 10 is not an equation. Where it is smaller than the 10, it is not an equation. When it is equal, then it is an equation. Okay. There is an equal sign between LHS and RHS. Neither of the two contain a variable. Here the variable should be there, or a right hand side should be their variables and the left hand side should be the variables. Okay. We may call this as a numerical equations. Usually the word equation is used only for the equation with one or two more variables. Let us do an exercise. State the following equation is variable. In case of equation is with the variable, identify the variables. Okay. Now these are the equation given. Ax plus 20 is equal to 70. 8 into 3 it is 24. 2p is greater than 30. N minus 4 is equal to 100. 20b is equal to 80. Y by 80 is equal to less than 50. These are the equation. First, there should be two equal sign. That is, yes, it is an equal sign. LHS, RHS is there. There should be a variable. Yes. What is that variable is represented as an x. Oh, okay. This is an equation. Next, see that x 8 into 3 it is equal to 24. So 8 into 3 equals 24. No, this is not an equation. This is a numerical equation because no variables is there. Equal sign is there, LHS is there, RHS is there, but variable should be present. So this is not an equation. Next, first condition, there is an equal sign? No. So this is not an equation. Here, equal sign is there? Yes. LHS is there? RHS is there? Yes. There is a variables? Yes, it is a variable. So this equation is there. Next, equation equal sign is there? LHS, RHS, variables are there. So this is an equation. Now, y by 8. Okay, y by 8. It is an equation, is that? Equation is there? No. So this is not an equation. Depending upon this, we'll be doing the problems on this complete exercise. And we should we should found the variables value and satisfy the following equation. Okay, and we have a trial and error method. Many things will be solving by this equation.